Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, student. Hello, how are you today? I hope all of you always happy and in good condition. We meet you again in SMA Muhammadiyah Gombong YouTube channel for online learning. Are you ready for history lesson today? Okay, let's begin. I have a picture for you. Look at the slide, please. Have you ever been to Yogyakarta? Yogyakarta is one famous tourism in Indonesia. Taking a quote from Anies Baswedan that every corner of Jogja is romantic. According to me, I agree with that quote. How about you? I think you also agree with me. But today we will not discuss about how beautiful of Jogja. We will see Yogyakarta as a cultural city. In Yogyakarta, many cultural relics that represents history of the past. There are some examples. Keraton Kesultanan Yogyakarta, which is related with Islamic Kingdom of Mataram. Vredenburg Fortress or Fortress of Peace, which is also closely related with Kesultanan Yogyakarta. And then about Sekaten. Do you know about Sekaten? Sekaten is a religious and traditions culture. Sekaten is an annual event that has existed in Yogyakarta and Surakarta for a long time. This tradition has been implemented since 15th century. The tradition's aim is to commemorate the Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Sekaten become a cultural tradition has always been awaited by Yogyakarta and Surakarta people. Sekaten is believed to be a combination art and dakwah. This is one form of the spread Islam in Java. Wali Songo uses art to attract two people come and enjoy this event. From this method, the people to be introduced to Islam. Okay, from my explanation above, do you know what material today? Today we will learn together about the heritage, the influence of Islamic culture in Indonesia. Currently, Islam is the majority religion in Indonesia. The spread of Islam in Indonesia took a long historical process. We can find evidence of cultural heritage and the traditions that can be seen until now, including Sekaten that I have said before. And then further evidence about the influence of Islamic culture. Look at the slide, please. Evidence the influence of Islam culture in Indonesia can be grouped into first, heritage building, include mosque, cemetery, and palace. Most relics are Masjid Kudus, Masjid Banten, Masjid Demak, and Aceh. Cemetery relics are Makam Wali Songo, Makam Raja, dan Makam Sultan. Palace relics are Mangkunegaran, Pakubuwono, Surakarta, and Yogyakarta. Second, artwork. For artwork, I take example of dance art. In several regions in Indonesia, there are dance related to Sholawat recitations. There are some examples. Debus. Debus is art from Banten. The bus is a martial show extraordinary human abilities. And then Tari Saman. Tari Saman from Nangro Aceh, Darussalam. In 2018, this dance became the opening of Asian Games in Indonesia. Third, government system. This influence is seen in the mentions of king being sultan. For example, King of Malacca, Paramisora, after converting to Islam, was King Sultan Iskandar Shah. Fourth, the boarding school system. Nowadays, boarding school is growing very rapidly. In boarding school are given religious knowledge and general science. For example, look at the pictures. Fifth, Selamatan ceremony. There is A, B, C, and D. A, daur hidup ceremony. For example, tingkeban, kekah, tedaksitan, and other. B, annual ceremony. There are some examples: Suranan ceremony, Sawalan ceremony. Look at the pictures. C, sekaten, as I said earlier. D, haul. Look at the picture, please. Why we must learn this material? We can conclusion that Islam menjadi agama yang paling banyak dianut di Indonesia saat ini. Seperti yang kita tahu bahwa sebelum Islam datang, para penyebar Islam harus berhadapan dengan budaya lokal dan Hindu-Buddha yang sudah berakar kuat di Indonesia. Bisakah kalian bayangkan bagaimana Islam berusaha untuk menarik hati dan minat masyarakat pada saat itu? Ada beberapa hal yang perlu kalian pelajari dan perlu kalian ketahui, yaitu mengenai penyebaran agama Islam di Indonesia, khususnya yang dilakukan para wali songo di Jawa. Para wali songo selain terkenal jenius, mereka sangat santun dalam membawakan ajaran agamanya. Mereka berusaha mendekati budaya yang sudah ada tanpa menumpas habis budaya yang sudah ada. Dan mereka melakukan secara santun dan toleransi, sehingga tidak menimbulkan gejolak dalam masyarakat. Nah, tentu saja dari sikap santun, toleransi inilah menjadi hal yang patut kita teladani untuk kehidupan di masa ini, terutama di Indonesia yang majemuk. For the last, thank you for your attention. Be healthy, stay at home, and happy Ramadan. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.